Welcome to the future of human resources. In a changing HR landscape, CloudDapper HRPad is your go-to solution for navigating the evolving priorities of HR professionals. As HR faces unprecedented changes, CloudDapper HRPad steps in to empower HR teams and elevate the employee experience. Let's dive into its capabilities. With HRPad, you can boost employee engagement and reduce burnout. Its AI-powered conversations keep employees informed about policies, creating a future-proof workplace. Worried about scheduling conflicts? HRPad's Shift Confirmation feature ensures a hassle-free experience, allowing employees to confirm their shifts and eliminate future problems. But that's not all. HRPad goes beyond expectations by providing a sleek time clock. It's not just a tool, it's your reliable companion for efficient time management. And the revolutionary features don't stop there. HRPad offers surveys for valuable insights, job transfer options for career growth, shift bidding for flexibility, and a referral program to strengthen your workforce. Ready to transform your HR practices? Contact us now to explore the endless possibilities with CloudDapper HRPad. Because in this dynamic HR world, we've got your back.